Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science student and GATE Computer Science. In today's topic, I will be discussing another important concept in TOC. That is, I am solving one of the June 2019 question. The question is, consider the following grammar. S tends to capital X, capital Y. X tends to capital Y, small a, capital Y, or X tends to A. Two rules there, and Y tends to small b, capital X. Okay. For this particular given grammar, they mentioned 4 choices. Which are the choices are correct for this particular grammar? Okay. Option they mentioned are this may produce some string which may have consecutive 3 A's. They are saying, okay, which consequently 3A should be there. Okay, in between or before that, after that, you may have any number of other symbol. Option B is alternative A and B present. Okay. Option C is at least 2 A's present in generated string. Option 4 is B is in multiple of 2, which means it will be generating some string. So we can see that 2 consecutive B's are multiples of 2 B's present there. Okay. So which one is correct? Okay. For that we try to generate some string with the help of this grammar, so that we are able to find out which is answer. Okay, simply I am going to take star symbol and I am producing 2 non-terminal capital X, capital Y. I am using handle is called S tends to XY. Again for this X, I am replacing with another rule is called X tends to A. Then I will be getting A capital Y. Again for this Y, I use this BBX. Okay. Now what happened? BBX, I am using this handle, and again for this X I am going to substitute this A. So now what happened? A, BB, A. Okay. So that is final string. So now you want to correlate this string with set of options. So is there any consecutive 3A? No. Is there alternative A and B? No. Okay. Alternative A and B. Okay, which means AB like that he has to keep. Okay, which means they are expecting AB like that it has to go. So but this pattern is not like that. Okay, whether at least 2 A's there? Yes, 2A present there. Whether 2 B's in multiple of B's in multiple of 2? Yes. B 2 times there, so multiple of B. Okay, it is also correct. Okay, so we can generate one more string, so that we can still clarify whether our expected answer is correct or not. Okay, so again S tends to XY using this handle. Then for this X, I am using YA. Okay, because another production rule there. After that, I'm generating this Y as BBX, like that this Y as BBX, this A is as it is, this Y as BBX. Okay. After that, I try to substitute this all X as A like that. This X into A, this X into A, this X into A. Okay. So now we got a final string. Again we check whether consecutive 3 is there. No. Okay, this is not correct. Whether alternative A-B combination there? No. Okay, this is not correct. At least 2A present there? Yes. Okay, 2A there. Okay, so at minimum 2A, maximum any number of A. Okay, so like that whether B in this is yes, and whether B in multiple of 2? Yes, 2B there, again 2B there, the multiple of, so 6 times B there, so 3 into 2, 6 times, so multiple of 2 of B. Okay, so this is also correct. Okay, so now correct answer is C and D. Okay, Hope you understand. Thank you for watching.